Welcome to another ABS online video. Come and talk with us. Only one word today. It must be very important. Well, it is very helpful. What is it? But. Very short as well. How do we use it? But means something is different or surprising. It joins two ideas together. I like ice cream, but I don't like chocolate. We have two ideas and they're joined together. They are different ideas. Can we look at some more? It is sunny, but it is cold. Two different ideas joined together. I want to play, but I have homework. Oh no. She is small, but she is fast. Now, can you help? Can you finish the sentence? We will look at the first idea. Then we will use but. Can you give us the other idea? I have a cat, but I want a dog. That cake looks great. What could be different? But it is too sweet. A great cake, but too much sugar. We went to the park. Uh-oh. I think I know what's next. We went to the park, but it started to rain. The toys are old. Oh, he still looks happy. Maybe it's the toys are old, but I am happy. Let's see. But I still play with them. The toys are old, but I still play with them. When we use but, we join two ideas. It does not matter which idea is first. He is tired. Oh dear. But he will finish his work. He will finish his work, but he is tired. It's the same two ideas turned around. She was sad, but now she is happy. Can we turn those around? Let's see. She is happy now, but she was sad. The same two ideas turned around. Green ran fast. but she did not win. Let's turn them around. Green did not win, but she ran fast. But is really useful. Can you make some about you? What do you like and not like? Well, I like swimming, but I don't like basketball. Can you do one for you? Where do you go and not go? I go to the park, but I don't go to the supermarket. Can you do one for you? What do you do and not do? Okay. I'm gonna let you try to think of one for yourself. Usually, we tell you to use the words today. We will change it a little bit today. We've only got one word. What could we say? Use the sentences today. Don't let them slip away. You go and have fun with the word but, and we'll see you soon. Bye now. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe and help us grow and grow.